favorite shows on TV? Anything like maybe from childhood?
Because
Because there was good Indian TV, man.
I used
Dekh
to
by
watch
Dekh.
I used to watch Filmy Chakkar.
Dekho, filmy. 90s kids will remember.
Also, guys, I grew up with Cartoon Network, and it was amazing.
It's not Indian
because,
TV.
Huh?
It's not Indian TV.
No, but I'll tell you what. So it was SWAT Cats. Okay, loved SWAT Cats. Okay, in English, and then suddenly one day,
Bade Miyan.
Bade Miyan and Chote Miyan.
Mahabilla Sheher. Mahabilla. Dude, Stanley Ipkiss became the mask, became Sachin Sabnis.
Yes.
All the coolness just.
What is it about, like, I was watching Narcos, for example, and
Yeah.
it's half Spanish, half English, but it still seems cool.
Yeah.
What is it about the way we treat it? Like when we do a Hindification, why does it become so
No, we
lame?
dumb it down. We dumb it down to another degree. Although we don't make the effort to actually translate it right, or actually get the punchlines through, or make it like good dialoguember for drama.
Yeah,
or whatever.
other is absolutely right.
We don't
because
bother.
Absolutely right.
Because that poor guy is getting paid 2,000 rupees to do the whole episode.
Dude, even that, you remember Shinchan, right? Shinchan is actually a Japanese adult cartoon which they dubbed in India. And his biggest thing was he used to call his mother "Bacche chudane wali pagal budiya." So all the mothers took a complaint out against Shinchan, saying he's corrupting their kids.
Wow.
All the kids started calling their moms "Bacche chudane wali pagal budiya."
Let's talk about the positives. Okay, so the question was what my favorite show ever made in India, it has to be Flop Show by Jaspal Bhatti.
Jaspal Bhatti.
If you watch that show, the thought, he put a thought that it was another level, and then he executed that. So there's one episode about beggars and the beggar system. If somebody made a YouTube video about that, trust me, because of political correctness, they would be taken down. There would be a Huffington Post article about it. There'd be all this nonsense going on. But he basically presented begging as a business in that show. In the first episode, this is so genius. He plays a chief guest. So the guy goes to him, he's like, "Sir, आप करते क्या हो?" "Sir, मैं chief guest हूँ." ठीक है, but आप करते क्या हो? नहीं, मैं chief guest हूँ, professional chief guest. इधर ribbon काटूंगा, फिर उधर जाके उधर ribbon काटूंगा, मैं chief guest हूँ. That's my job.
Damn funny.
It was so funny, dude,
Damn
because what he was doing was taking a look at society, right?
Yeah.
For the first time as a kid, I was watching, he's making fun of how we are as a people.
Satire.
And that connected with me. Now we've come to a point where every time the TRPs are dropping, what do? Shadi kar lo. Kisi ki shadi kar lo.
Yeah.
That's the strategy for all Saas Bahu shows, by the way. When the ratings are dropping, somebody has to get married.
Indian society in general, like the moment कुछ हो रहा है शादी
हाँ बेटे का rate drop
और मक्खी बना दो.
That's the new thing.
ससुराल समर का.
No, I think should we do an episode on Simar? I think she deserves, because every episode is insane.
A masterpiece.
I have to look some episodes.
I don't know what those guys are smoking, man.
I think, guys, and you guys watching this can leave a comment. Would you like us, SNG Comedy, to watch an episode of Simar and comment and
live
react to it?
commentary? Yeah, basically.
Or we can do a series of just like shit Simar does,
yeah.
and then we just analyze it. If you guys want us to do it, leave your answer in the comment
The
section
character
below.
analysis of Simar.
There's a clip of somebody washing a laptop on Simar's screen. Okay. Is that from the Simar cartoon? Maybe. And then she hangs it up on the
clothesline. Oh, I've seen this YouTube video.
No, this is not Sasura.
No, someone cut this and I saw this on YouTube. Like massive Indian TV fail.
Yeah, I've also done a episode of Dope on the dumbest things you see on television. And so the one show that I picked on was I forgot Kasauti
Zindagi.
Yeah, so that's the show I really harped on because I made one of my guys watch it.
Yeah.
Like 400 episodes. Poor guy.
You evil man.
So-
Please don't be under him. Like, don't
It
get
is-
employed
but
by
it
him.
was hilarious. So it's about these two protagonists.
I've seen this show.
This is
Not
Ram
all,
Kapoor.
buddy,
This
I
is
know.
Ram Kapoor.
No, somebody else.
This was that Shweta Tiwari was in it.
Oh my.
Okay, great that you know this.
Oh my.
Cool, man. These are
Yeah.
these tunes are etched in our brain because
Okay,
the
guys,
TV was always tuned to this
over
shit.
the story, the protagonists both got married to different people about 4 or 5 times each,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And even including getting married to the villain, who's that Kamalika chick, who's
Yeah.
always there. By the way, the vamp.
Yeah.
You know,
Oh, we should talk about vamps.
The
vamps.
She was there throughout in multiple shows, and she was the only vamp. Like if all these shows are happening in the same universe,
Yeah.
at the same time,
She's Sauron.
Kamalika is one man who just goes
From
from
one
one
You
to
know,
the next.
I kind of.
पहले इधर vamp बनूंगी फिर इधर
Oh, yeah,
wonder-
vamp चाहिए, vamp.
They were vamp. They
Basically,
were like
chief
career
guest.
vamp.
Jaspal Bhatti's chief guest. Now Kamalika is the vamp.
vamp.
No,
Good sketch idea.
I really wonder whether she keeps getting called for these auditions and it's always I would like you to play the vamp and she wonders afterwards मेरे में कुछ है क्या like
Yeah, she's probably
मैं
the
even
nicest
face-
human
yeah, मैं
being
even
at
लगती
home.
हूँ
No, but I don't know if you've auditioned for these.
I've auditioned
I
once.
have.
Yeah.
But when you try and actually do, like if you get the lines are anyway stupid, right? कि मैं
Yeah.
तुम्हारे लिए ज़मीन whatever, and you do that to the best of your ability, they don't want that. They will
want it
tell
as
you take
cheesy.
it few notches lower, be fucking deadpan while you're doing it, and I'm like, where is the emotion?
They want you to act badly.
Because then when they put the music, because like you saying that scene with Ram Kapoor where it actually there isn't much acting, he's just looking at shit. But how do we make looking at shit interesting? You know, and this is what their idea.
I think for the large part, see, we are risk averse, right? And now we figured that if we play, the people like looking at, because people in India, I feel, because of arranged marriages, they don't really get to explore romance, right? Most people have very mundane lives. So we have to give this sort of fantasy of, Saas Bahu drama, intermarriage bullshit.
Correct. A lot of it is escapism.
Yeah,
for sure.
absolutely.
Uh-huh.
And I think what attracts people at this,
You know, I really feel funny when the mother-in-law and the daughter-in-law both sit together and they're watching that show.
Yeah. Let's try to make a successful TV show right now. Indian TV show. What all do we need to put?
Okay, so firstly you need a very catchy tune to begin the show. You know, like your opening.
Ta-tang,
Yeah,
Yes.
you need that.
Alright.
You need opening packaging, like catchy tunes.
Yeah, catchy. Secondly,
I like that the first thing we need is that catchy tune and not a script.
Of course not.
Or a concept
no,
for the
what
show.
script?
Now then, second thing you need is you need a nice home that looks like it's been made out of plastic. The
Yeah.
typical home that's been used for 100 other TV
And if
shows.
there's not a tulsi paid outside,
Yeah.
then bro, you doing
You're
it
done.
wrong.
You're done.
Okay, then you need to
Like
have
even a show about Muslims will have a tulsi bed outside.
right. And
Righteous son goes to work every day,
Yeah.
diligent. His
Yeah,
name
and
is
then-
like Om
yeah,
or like Shiv.
he's always smiling.
Always
and,
smiling.
And every time you see
How do
him,
you smile? So I want to slap his face every time he
and
smiles.
every
Yeah.
time you see him, you hear that music, happy music, ting 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 ting.
Yeah.
Then you have the mother. Okay, his mother is a traditionalist.
Yeah.
All mothers are traditional.
Yeah.
They love their son. They love their son.
Traditionalist.
They love their son. And it's all about like Bhagwan and beta and prosperity and
They
development.
hate their bahu just as much as they love their son. Like
Yeah.
it's proportional.
Yeah.
I love my son so much.
If
I
you
will
hate her so
you.
much, why do you get him married to her in the
her,
first
yeah.
place?
Yeah.
Because he did a love marriage. The only time he went against his mother's wishes was for this girl.
Love marriage.
And then the fact that he did that really like scars her. Like my son, the
Yeah,
apple
but
of
then
my eye
who's-
could do
who's
it.
Your, okay, so this is your, but the Bahu is a nice woman.
Yeah, and the
But
bahu.
she's like very simple. She's a simple woman.
Yeah,
you know?
bahu is
'Cause
nice.
that's how
goes to
women are
college,
represented in this
the
country.
conflict comes from Bahu wanted to be modern and the mother wanted to follow back on tradition. That's always the
Oh
conflict.
no, then there has to be like the modern Bahu and then the simple Bahu, because the simple Bahu has to be represented.
And by the way, there's not one son. There's always like 18
Huh.
Yeah,
at least.
dude, where are they living? Because in Bombay, you can't live in a
Filmale,
house.
Filmale
and-
studio.
Filmale studio में बहुत जगह है.
So we are
shooting.
So we are shooting this at Film City right now. I kid you not, 2 doors across down there'll be something going on.
There is a big massive mandir.
Yeah, there's a big
Yeah.
massive mandir in Film City where we are right now, where there is right now somebody's getting married because TRPs are not doing that great. So guys, I had this interesting experience because I was reading this book called Freakonomics, which is a very popular,
Fucking great.
Yeah.
Great
popular
book and a great movie also they made out of it.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
and,
the movie was
and
fun.
in the second book, I think it's Freakonomics,
Economics. Yeah.
Yeah.
they talk about Indian TV shows.
Oh, they do.
Yeah,
Huh.
and so what this is really interesting what happened.
Huh.
So now you had cable being adopted at a pretty widespread rate.
Huh.
So you had villages where cable was just being introduced, villages where there was no cable, and villages where cable had existed for a long time.
Huh.
So you had all three type of sets of group. And what they found is really interesting. What they found was cable T, specifically Saas Bahu shows, actually was empowering women in rural areas. See, now you have programming that men are not interested in watching. It's just women watching, right? And suddenly what they had were role models. They had ideals. Oh, when a woman in a TV show said, you know what, I
Like
don't want
Smriti
to...
Irani.
Yeah, when I don't want to just...
Irani.
When I want to be a doctor, whatever the drama is, at the end of the day, the conflict of TV shows is, should I be a housewife or should I be a career-minded woman?
Yeah.
These are the conflicts that they have. And so suddenly these women started getting an outlet and they started seeing something. So I kid you not, girls stay in school longer in villages with Saas Bahu shows.
Wow.
Yeah. So
That's
thank
why
you.
Ekta Kapoor did it.
So thank you, Ekta Kapoor.
for empowering the
yes.
villagers.
Because of you, now girls are getting high school degrees. And you should pat yourself on the back and then go to the mandir and put a tika on.
And Sasural Simarka. Fuck you.
Fuck you. Fuck you for
Your reason people are
For your
leaving school.
flies,
Arey, hut.
yeah. You're turning women into flies.
I mean,
like that, talk about
Why did you go with
Regressive
Makhi?
You're very empowering for flies.
But why did you go with
Simar,
Makhi?
all the flies are very happy that Simar became a fly.
But why fly? Like they're all like Makhi. You know, Makhi sits on. You just like hush, hut. You're like that's the first thing. Your first reaction to Makhi.
Reverse feminism happening
Probably
here.
what they were doing to Simar anyway.
Yeah. Hey, Simar, please leave. No, I'm a good actor. You're a fly.
And to the actress who plays Simar, don't you have any standards? Don't you have? You've been doing this for years now.
No, I think you should join us because clearly you're great at comedy.
Yeah. Oh.
Our next sketch is about a fly and
Yeah.
anyway.
Although that movie was pretty fun, the Rajamouli's movie.
Oh yeah.
Makhi.
Makhi was actually a fun movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about reality shows.
Yeah, you can't talk about Indian TV if you don't talk about reality shows.
Big Boss is a beast like no other because Big Boss has given us beasts like Kamal Al Khan,
Dolly Bindra.
Dolly Bindra.
Oh my.
My God, no, that's a beast. That's
Oh my.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, by the way, I have a Dolly Bindra story.
They were replacing.
Why do you have a
I'm
Dolly
on.
Bindra story?
I didn't choose to be in the story, okay? So,
You didn't choose to be in a Dolly Bindra story.
No, so what happened was that.
So you were in the toilet with the magazine.
And
of
I
Dolly
was
Bindra
furiously.
on the cover.
No.
Huh.
So, what happened was that I'd gone to judge a stand up event at a college. And
That's kind of premature.
Oh.
No, and-
Wow.
and-
What
wait,
college
wait.
is this?
And they tell me ki,
Sasurat Simarka College with very low standards.
no. So they tell me ki your co-judge is here. So I go like, okay, fine. I enter the room and Dolly Bindra is sitting there. Okay, and
She's a co-judge.
she's the co-judge. Okay,
What
now
like
here's the
is-
thing.
She is two
Two
co-judges together.
No, and here's the thing. Okay, so this is a stand-up event and Dolly Bindra is going. So some guy says a line and she goes, "नहीं वापस बोलो."
In the middle of his set.
In the middle of his set, okay, and
बेचारा यार.
and he says, "I'm sorry, ma'am." Like, नहीं मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया, वापस बोलो.
Very
And we had to
Classic Dolly Bindra.
yeah, you have to explain to her how stand-up
classic
works.
Dolly Bindra ऐसे मेरे घर के बाजू में रहती है.
अबे, you would expect her to
that's
say
classic
something like
Dolly.
So who did she? So then what happened after that?
No, so then like everyone like turned on her and they were sort of like making jokes on her and then she couldn't take it. So she gets up and goes like, "ये सब बंद करो ये सब. You are anti-national." And
That's a new funda, na. If you
Yeah,
make joke,
yeah.
you're
You're
anti-national.
you're anti-national.
How is
And
it anti-national? Dolly Bindra isn't a national treasure.
If she is, then I'm Pakistani.
Like what the hell? तू क्या है?
So-
Fucking.
I think she's going to run on a ticket soon. So I think she's
gonna
already
run on a
started
ticket.
her.
Guys,
She won't fit on a ticket.
She should run in
Soon.
general.
What else do we talk about? Jhalak Dikhla Ja and the other dance
No,
shows.
dude. Okay, yeah.
You know, what I don't get is that no matter how good or bad you dance in these shows, right? You always get like 9,
Yeah.
10,
Nine.
No,
and then some
because
judge will
it's
just
all
stand up and be
non-dance.
like, "Ha, ye acha hai," and then people start crying. I'm like, bro, really? Is that what your life has come
It's
to?
always non-dancers who are judging. If
Yeah.
you notice, people who can never.
He's a
really
director.
dance.
No,
Well,
there's-
can he dance? No.
No.
There's-
Okay, please come judge this.
But there's two dancers and one non-dancer. So always like there's two
No, like one
choreographers
is a trained dancer
and one Madhuri
can
Dixit.
dance well,
Yeah.
and
One
one
is
has
like-
seen a lot of.
One is
dancing.
Navjot Singh Sidhu, like just randomly
I think
sitting
it's
there.
a great idea to choose Karan Johar as a judges because he loves judging people anyway.
Huh.
So this is a natural sort of progression for him to judge people on TV now.
I know there used to be a point where Kunal Kohli used to come as a judge for a
Yeah,
dance.
what
Yes.
the hell?
Man, bro, that guy has 14 left feet. Okay, he doesn't have two.
I do want to talk about these kids shows because it scares me how talented they are. Because at age 8, I couldn't even
It also
spell
scares
dance
me how badly they've been pushed
Yeah.
to
into
doing it.
Because I remember as one of my earlier internships, I used to work with the production house. Okay, I was 17, and as a part of my KRA, I would have to film the auditions.
Oh,
So
God.
get people to come and audition, and one episode was for kids.
Yeah.
So there's like 80 kids, and each one comes with parents. So they're all there, and this
Huh.
kid is standing up taking his audition, and he's there. Hi, mera naam hai Vishal. I like singing, acting.
Dude.
And then he stops. And the mom yells from out, "Hey, kya kar raha hai? Barabar kar. What did I teach you?" And this, I'm just like,
Have you
bro,
seen
chill
kids
the
auditions?
fuck
Have you
down.
had like when you go for auditions for ads and shit? Have you seen the kids?
Many times, dude, the kids are like, almost the umbilical cord is still not cut. ये
Yeah,
मेरा
man.
नाम है, ये मेरा umbilical cord अभी तक attached है, लेकिन मैं actor बनूंगा. I'm like, bro, go study,
Go
go
study.
watch
कुछ काम
Shinchan.
कर.
You know, why are you here with this बच्चे चुराने वाली पागल बुढ़िया? Nice. Call back.
It's like these parents have this they haven't done much in their lives,
Yeah.
unfulfilled lives,
Yeah.
so they're kind of vicariously
Vicariously.
going through the children
Yeah,
and
man.
living.
Make money and
And
it's
it's
really
like, and this is not an Indian thing. There's a show in the US also where
Yeah.
it's about beauty pageants for children.
Yeah.
Honey Boo Boo.
Honey Boo Boo.
Have you heard of this?
No.
Okay, so
Ew.
this is it's a reality show. I kid you not, it's disgusting. It's about she's a 6-year-old girl constantly being put makeup on. She wears these frocks and they parade her down these things, and they're judging her on beauty. There's also Little Miss Sunshine, which is
Right.
a
Great
fantastic
film.
movie.
Loved
Yeah.
that.
Now
Yeah.
they've taken off of that beauty
Yeah.
pageant and made a lovely family film about it. Please watch Little Miss Sunshine if you haven't
Great
already. It's
movie.
a beautiful film.
Yeah.
But they are doing this in America, and in America there's a certain level of control. Like as in you can't make the child work over like I think 4 or 5 hours at a stretch.
Huh.
In India, there's no such laws.
Yeah.
Correct.
Parents do.
Make sure your child is working for 4 days.
Yeah.
Don't give him food.
So here's a question for you
Because
guys.
patla
And
karne ka.
since you've seen this, would you call this exploitation by parents?
Surely.
Of
Yeah,
course.
of course. Because also the thing is, if your child does happen to be good at what he or she does, there's a lot of money to be made. Because
But if your child somehow, let's say, trolling today, people get trolled,
Yeah.
people don't succeed.
Yeah.
I've noticed one thing: if children, if they're in the limelight and suddenly something happens, they go into a different world. They go into a different space where they can't come out of.
absolutely, man. Where if you're growing up and you're all constantly surrounded by photographers who want to take a picture with you, who think you're so great, and whereas your other kids in the building are just like whatever, they're like, fuck, I'm so much better than these guys.
The kids
I'm
in the building just
But I think kids
char
should.
level lower hai as far as IQ goes.
no, but that's what they just like, whatever, just fucking chalna, jana.
Listen, I was one of those kids, and I promise you, I never said. I'm not having an epileptic
No,
shot.
that's what-
Hold
that's
the
what they
door.
think.
Hold the door.
अरे देखो करण घर आ गया खाना दे दो.
I have an eating problem.
No, don't eat food from your eyes, Karan.
So we
About done?
talked about reality shows. They're great. Big Boss being the best of them.
Fine.
Before that, okay. So let's take an example of someone called Shilpa Shetty. Shilpa Shetty is her name. All right. She's done. She's
Yeah,
Yes.
it is.
50 movies in Bollywood. No
Yeah.
one gives two craps about her.
Yeah.
She goes to London. She does a reality show
Yeah.
there. She wins that show. But along what happens to us because of winning that show, the amount of adulation and popularity she gets
Over here.
over here, it
Yeah.
works.
Everywhere. Even in the UK, when
It,
she won.
it,
Crazy
it,
in the
whirlwinds-
UK.
it really propels her up. What she couldn't do in 15 years of movie acting, she
Yeah.
managed to do 3 months of this
That's
reality
why everyone
show.
thinks it's like a jump, right? So it's almost like it's a thing. You go try for roadies, you work at roadies, you get top few whatever. From there you go to Big Boss, and you try there, and
Then you
then you
become a
win Big
VJ
Boss.
for MTV first.
No, so
Huh.
that's the transition phase, right? Between roadies
That's a great
and Big
sketch
Boss.
idea to be.
There is you do VJing for MTV, then you do Big Boss. After Big Boss, you become an actor. Then
Yeah.
you do shitty fucking movies.
And then you go back to Big Boss.
Then you go for a dance
यार,
show.
yeah, come back to
Then you go dance
The
show.
life circle.
Dance show करने के बाद then
And then after you're done with her,
Kunal
you're
Kohli judges
old, you sit at home and you watch Big Boss. So basically, for a lot of people out there, their entire life.
Revolves around
Circle
Big
of
Boss.
life.
It's like a career path for doctors now. First I'll do an internship,
Yeah.
then I'll get my practical experience at the hospital, then I'll eventually work to get opening my own clinic, then I'll become certain, then I'll open my own this, I'll be,
By then you're so old you need doctors.
Yeah. This is the
So
same
life
way.
comes a full
Yeah.
circle. So Big Boss also comes a full. Big Boss chata hai
Okay,
ki.
let me ask you guys, how much would you guys if
Your
some
Big Boss impression is a drunk Amitabh Bachchan.
Big Boss chata hai ki. Kautuk.
would Kautuk guys,
Confession room
you
mein.
guys, if they called you guys and said, hey, you guys are famous enough now, time for Big Boss, come, would you guys go?
And
You
then
would go in a
say-
heartbeat. I'm not
Are
asking
you
him.
mad or what? I was
You
already
would
told.
go in a heart. I have no doubt in my mind Varun Thakur would do Big Boss like that. Dude,
Well, unfortunately, you're wrong.
Think of your corporate rate.
Yeah.
Just think of
No,
your
one second, one
corporate
second.
show.
Think of your
I
corporate
don't want to do Big Boss.
No, but
I'll
think of,
never-
you can charge 4 times as much.
It's okay, but I'll charge 4 times as much eventually. I don't have to do Big Boss. Anyway, that's it from us. This has been the big question with SNG. Like I said, like we've said before, if you have any questions that you want answered by us, please leave them in the comment section below. And we'll see you next week. Tada.
Bye-bye.
Khuda Hafiz. Raymond turns into a fly and then
When they're rehearsing, they're like, shoot kar le.
just shoot.
Yeah.
that are beautiful, that are graceful, that make sense. Like, hopscotch. What a nice game. Like,